This 1954 Chevrolet 3500 is brought to you by RLB Sales. This 1954 Chevy 3500 pickup is simply stunning in every detail. A complete frame-off restoration 4 years ago. Features include Chevy 235i6 engine, automatic transmission, 16 and quote, wheels, running boards, converted 1.2V system, and much more. This is a fantastic Chevrolet with numerous features and has just been freshly serviced. Assured to please, this Chevrolet was owned by a non-smoker. It drives and looks fantastic. Visit us at rlbsales.com.